Hello everybody, welcome to Onions, and please give a thumbs big up for my happiness. So I'm going to be showing you my slimes. So there's a pink one and a blue one and a purple one I made, but now I mixed them all up. So maybe you can see this cloud and then this little mermaid on the purple one. So this belongs to the blue, this belongs to the purple, this belongs to, it's a poopy butt crown, to the pink. I mixed all of them up. No, because that's what it told me to do. It says mix them up so they could be slimier. I can take this one out. Oh, I got it. It's so hard. I might think I'm going to break my nose. Oh, so slimy. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Just want to show you a little bit because I'm actually going to eat McDonald's right now. So bye. God bless you. God hopes you. God loves you. Bye. And subscribe, download.